Okay, my name is Peter Dale. I'm working for HARDI, and I'm going to introduce you to the AEON sprayer. AEON sprayer consists of 4 models: the 4.2, the 5.2. It's a 4.2 we have here, and then 5.2, 6,000 and 7,000. We have a sprayer with a low center of gravity. We have an excellent suspension system. We have pretty much weight on the drawbar, on the big ones up to 4 tons, to have a lot of traction at the tractor rear wheel, and also uphill, for example, have a better grip. The reason that we can get the weight on the drawbar here is that we have the tank located between the axle, the rear axle of the sprayer, and the tractor. So we have a lower center of gravity, and also we have the rinse water, 500 liters here for cleaning the sprayer, located in the front of the machine. We have an hydraulic jack here, where we can lift off the sprayer from the tractor, and this point moves directly up and down, and it's pretty easy to couple or decouple the sprayer. Then we have the HARDI pump, 4th generation pump here, where we grease it from these 2 grease nipples here, and we have a PTO sensor of measuring the RPM of the PTO shaft, and this HARDI pump is not so sensitive about, for example, if you forget to take off your PTO, then it is not hurt, for example, driving 15 minutes without any water or any work. So it works fine. It's a very stable pump, easy to renovate if you want new diaphragms or new valves in the pump. Going further back here, we can see we have a vacuum meter here at the platform, so we can see how this how is the situation for the suction filter, and we always want this in the green area, so we are sure that the sprayer liquid system is working optimal. Going further back here, we have the tank for hand wash, and we open the lid here, where we have a LED light so we make a good working place. And this work zone is we do not have any valves or anything. We have a clean zone, unclean zone. We have soap dispenser here. We have water tank for washing the hands. Then we have the turbo filler here, where we have a lid which can contain something like 2-3 liters if we spill some of the active matter out of the bottle here. Then we put our chemicals down in the turbo filler here, and we can rinse it, taking it down on this one here, or we could take the emballage over here and then rinse the plastic bottle. On the fluid box here, we have a completely new system where we can see the liquid system. We have all suction buttons on the left side, and we have pressure buttons on the right side. And this can be operated with gloves, so we have no problems in contamination, because you can keep up your gloves. You don't need to take off your gloves to, for example, calculate how many liters do you need. So now I am taking the water from the water tower or the water source. You can hear the valves are moving, and here we are sucking the water from the main tank and from the rinse tank. Here you can stop and put the pump on. Here you can adjust the agitation, and here you can put pressure on the nozzles or stop them. On the pressure side, you can press it down in the main tank. You can press it out again in this hose lock here. Out, for example, liquid fertilizer go back to pallet tanks. You can do the rinse of the main tank, and you can pressure out to the boom. So normally you will take, of course, your water from the main tank and take it down the pump and out to the boom like this. Then there's a couple of other functions. For example, when you program this, you, for example, have an area of, let's say, 25 hectares here. You enter this with a button here, and you want to apply 180 liters. It automatically calculates how many liters of water do you need. And now we have 4,293 liters in, so we need 207 liters back here. So it helps you calculating how much water you need. So this is the fluid box on the AEON, and this is a completely other way on, let's say, operating the sprayer. We can also download the application map from the cloud. So if you have an HC 9700 or 8700, it's possible to download data from AgriRouter from the cloud and do the spray job, and then upload the job again to the cloud in AgriRouter. If we go further back, we have the chem logger here for chemicals. We have moving mud guards, which is following the wheels, so we don't put a lot of mud and dirt up in the nozzles here, so we don't start our spray job on cleaning our nozzles. On the rear of the sprayer here, we see this has pneumatic suspension, and we have pneumatic brakes, and we have hydraulic suspension here with a cylinder with a big stroke, and one of the accumulators is suspending the sprayer when we have a full tank, and the other one is suspending when we have an empty tank. The boom is a delta force boom, and we have, for example, hydraulic dampening of the jaw movements. So if we look on this little piston up here, this piston actually has connection to some nitrogen dampers, and in that way we have a control of that the booms are not doing these very unwanted movements where we, so to say, spray the crops 2 times. It's much worse than if we have a little bit up and down in the boom. Going to the right side, we have the tech zone here, and again we have a lid so you don't get any droplets down on your head. You have LED lights here, and then you have your filters, the suction filter and the pressure filter here, and you have your valves here, and you have the smart computer sitting here and at the center part. The liquid system is pretty compressed in a little area, so we have as little residual as possible. It's possible to put an extra pump here, flex capacity pump, if you want that, for liquid fertilizer or whatever. And then you have an extra logger for chemicals here. So this is about a fast presentation of the AEON series from 4,200 to 7,000 liters, and can be delivered with a delta force boom, as we see here, from 24 meters to 39 meters, and it can be delivered with a twin force boom from 24 to 36 meters.
Perfect. Thank you, Peter, for giving us a quick tour of the AEON sprayer. Can be seen tomorrow, July the 3rd in Newbridge, County Kildare. So come and join us. Thank you.